Hi luminaries, in this video we are making a double or twin tassel. What you'll need are 2 completed tassels, a skewer or a thick needle, a regular needle, a piece of yarn that you're going to use as a neck wrap, like here. I like this to be about 24 inches, a tassel comb, sharp scissors, and then a dish. Okay, let's get started. I love these tassels. They are so beautiful and they could be used for jewelry and so on. All right, so the first step is to take either the skewer or a thick needle and skewer literally the 2 tassels together. This just helps hold everything in place as you're making a neck knot. Okay, make sure they're right next to one another. Now you're going to take your neck yarn, the neck wrap yarn, I should say, and then you're going to lay it underneath the 2 tassels. Okay, and then you're going to make a tight double knot. Make sure that one end is way shorter than the other, and it should be about 5 inches. Okay, so I also like to tie the knot where the 2 tassels meet. Okay, so let's make that tie. Okay. Now that this is tied together, what you're going to now do is wrap the neck knot. And the more wraps you make, the kind of bigger the definition. So I really like a good definition on a tassel, so I'm going to go several times around. You're going to hold that short end above the tassels while you actually wind the longer end, making sure your tension is actually quite tight. This actually will make the tassel looks really good and also sets it together. Okay, so now you're going to tie a tight double knot to close it out. Again, I like to land it right where the 2 tassels meet, if you can see that. Okay, now we have these long tails. We're going to tuck them in or hide them one at a time. So thread your needle and just pull through like an inch tail. That's super sufficient. Longer tail is just going to be a little bit harder to pull through. Okay, now you're going to pull through slowly, unthread, and then pull in. Now repeat for the other side. As you do this, also actually hide the knot because it'll turn the knot inward into the tassel. Okay, again, pulling through slowly and then pull. Okay, now your tassels are all set together. Remove the skewer. And I actually like to comb the tassel so that there's all the pieces are kind of even, and then if there are any loops that needs to be cut, again, I could catch that as well. Okay, trim. You could use these double tassels as earrings, charms, etc. They're so great. Here, I made them into earrings. They're great. Enjoy.